Hi everyone, and welcome to 127 Rowboat Way. This lovely townhome is located in South Point Townhome Community, which is in the heart of Lake Gaston. So come on in and let's go check this one out. So this home is an end unit, 4 bedrooms, 4 baths, lovely open floor plan that everybody desires. One owner, practically brand new. We have 3 levels. We've got bedrooms up, we've got the main living level, and then in the basement where everybody can spread out and have fun. Let's go check out the basement. I want to make sure I mention that the primary bedroom has its own private balcony overlooking the waterfront and your guest bedroom, so you can spoil your guests a little bit. So after we've come to the basement, we've played around a little bit, had a few drinks, come out, sit by your fire pit overlooking the lake with your main lake views, gorgeous sodded yard. And don't let this one fool you, y'all. It has a ton of storage in this unit, and this unit conveys with its own deeded and assigned boat slip. So don't miss this one. Give me a call today, Pamela Hale, at 252-673-5033. Thanks, guys.